Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. And the unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with or smart band with another device, or maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody, basically anything that would require you to disconnect it from your account and your phone. So let's get started. Okay, so to unpair our smart band, we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our band. Then we need to tap on Device, and here you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro. Now scroll down, tap on More, and then tap on Unpair button, tap on OK, and the smart band will disappear from the device page. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. I also recommend to check the Bluetooth settings on your phone to check if the band is right here on the list. It's not, but if it was, you can tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on Forget or Remove to remove it from this list. And once you're done, you can close the settings and the app, and that's how you unpair this smart band from the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.